We're still looking at integers in the standard library, and related to that is this this add trait. So let's this is what you need if you have your own type and you would like to use the plus symbol and add an actual type to an actual type. You have to tell Rust how you want it to do that. And so first let's look at the example here, and you can see so first you bring it into scope, then it has this example of a struct. It implements, you implement add, and then it says, okay, what are you outputting? You can choose what you want it to be there. Usually it's self, it could be something else, but and then you have this this add function. You can see it's a required method, and you say, okay, how are you going to do it? And so let's bring this in and kind of comment it out, and let's do it on this this other example I have. So let's see, use standard format. So I'm going to put together a country struct. So standard ops add. Actually, I'll just uncomment it there. Let's put it up there. Looks funny. Looks funny down there on the bottom. So okay, let's put our struct together. So what are we going to give it? I guess we're giving it clone. Remember we were cloning it in the example. So we have this this country, and we would like to add them together. So first we'll put it together. So name, population, U32, and then GDP. So that's the size of the economy. And then we would like to implement the country. So let's give it a new function, and I'm just going to copy this in because it's nothing new there. So we just give it a stir, 2 numbers, and then it'll give us a country back. So after that comes the implementing add. So add for country. And let's look at this again. Let's see, let's uncomment this and bring it down so we can take a look at what they're doing. So we have implement add for country. Okay, type output is going, so this is the associated type, of course. It's the type that that goes with it. And okay, we would like to give it self. Let's go with that. And then here comes the function. And we're going to bring in a self, and the other is also going to be self. So we're adding a country to a country and returning a country. So what are we going to do? So the name is going to be, so we'll use format to make a string. And we've decided that here we're going to say like country 1 and country 2, and then print out some stuff as we're adding, which is kind of cool that you can do that. You can do anything you like because this is a function, and we can do many things. Population is going to be self.population plus other population, and the GDP is going to be self.gdp plus other.gdp. So that will give us a country added to a country with this name that has both, population that has both of them added together, and a GDP with both of them added together. And then next we're going to implement display, and this one I'll just copy and paste because we've done display a lot of times. You paste in this this format FMT function, and then tell it what would you like. So we're going to use this the format they gave us, and then we just want to in country something are so and so people and a GDP of something. And then once we've combined them, then it'll say like in Germany and Austria or something people and a GDP of something. So let's go to, let's get rid of this point, and let's start main. So let's make some countries. So I'm just copying this in because this is easy. So we've got Nauru, and we've got Vanuatu, and we've got Micronesia, and they have populations of this and GDPs of this. And now we can just print them out. So let's say first we'll just print out a clone of Nauru, just to actually we can just do that, I think. So just print that out so we can see what it looks like before we add, and then print out what happens when we add them together. And let's not destroy them. So we'll pass in a clone, Vanuatu.clone. We'll clone them and print them out, and then finally we'll also pass in Vanuatu plus Nauru plus Micronesia. And this is the last time we use it, so we're not going to put any clones in there. And let's see if it works. And wait, did I even need to do that? Yeah, I didn't need to do that. So there we go. So in Nauru, so you can see it starts out by just displaying, which is using this format. So it says in Nauru are something people and a GDP of something, and then now we can the next time we add them together. So it takes this add function and it turns it into this new country because it's returning self, and it changes the name into Nauru and Vanuatu, and then the population, the GDP are added together. So all we have to do is use this this plus symbol now. So that is how you implement that for to get to use the plus symbol. And then you might be wondering, well, how do you do it for everything else? I copied it out here. I will just let's pull up the book. Let's see, the three others are called the three others. There we go. So the other ones you can see. If you want to use the subtraction, then it's sub, mul, and div. They're also three letters long, and then you also have plus equals, minus equals, multiply equals, divide equals, and that is these are called assign. So you add this assign thing to it. So you've got add assign, sub assign, mul assign, and div assign, and there's a whole bunch of others like this is called rem, minus is called neg, stuff like that. So and they're all similar implementations. You think about what kind of type you want to return, and then you tell Rust how to do it, and then after that you get the power of just using these symbols to do math on your type.